welcome to At the Mama That Does It All. My name is Wendy, and today I'm sharing with you a delicious garlic butter chicken recipe. I hope that you guys enjoy it. Please drop a comment below if you think this is something that your family might enjoy as well. Friends, so I've gone ahead and chopped up this chicken breast. We're going to be using sea salt. We're also going to use black pepper. We're going to use some onion powder. And we're also going to use a little bit of garlic powder. So once we've done that, we're going to scoop the chicken into the bowl with all the seasonings. We're going to make sure that we coat it evenly. We're going to put a 1/4 cup of butter in a pan with 1 teaspoon of olive oil. I like to use the extra virgin olive oil. We're going to make sure that we incorporate the chicken into that. And we're going to brown the chicken. I'm also going to be making some white rice, and I like to cook mine with coconut oil. Did you know that by cooking with coconut oil, or cooking your rice with coconut oil, and refrigerating it for at least 12 hours cuts down the amount of calories that your body absorbs from the rice? It can cut down up to 60%. So that is amazing. So as you can see here, I did 2 cups of rice with, of course, 4 cups of water, and then I'm adding some salt. I'm going to bring it to a boil and cover it up. Now on to the chicken. We're checking up on this chicken and it's looking good. We're going to add some minced garlic. This is the organic minced garlic. And we're going to go ahead and stir it all in together. Now we're also going to go ahead and add some Italian seasoning. OMG guys, this smells delicious. So now we're going to go ahead and place this chicken into a container. Then we're going to take some minced garlic because we're going to deglaze this pan. Love garlic. Now we're going to add some chicken broth. And then we're going to go ahead and stir it up and try to get all those yummy browned pieces that are on the pan and mixed in with this chicken broth and the garlic. We are now getting ready to add a 1/4 cup of butter again and add a little bit of lemon juice. We're going to add some parsley. Alright, so here you can add whatever veggie you'd like. We're using some frozen broccoli, which is good if you're looking to make dinner in a flash. I'm also adding some sliced zucchini, which cook pretty fast. We're going to stir that all together, and then we're going to also go ahead and season these veggies. So we're going to add a little bit of garlic powder. We're going to also make sure to add in a little bit of onion powder. And now we're going to add in some sea salt. I also like the Goya chicken powder, so we're going to add that. But our steamed rice is ready. We're going to add some butter. We're going to let that soak in. So yummy. So now that our veggies are nice and cooked, we're going to go ahead and add our chicken back into the pan. look at how delicious this is. OMG. Alright guys, here it is. This is the finished product. It smells amazing. I think this is a great family meal. You have protein, you've got veggies, you've got your rice in there. Also, my son wanted me to show you his plate. Here you go. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.